Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How alkaline water kills cancer cells and how to cook it. Amazing benefits. There is nothing better than starting the day with delicious, cleansing, refreshing lemon water, which works wonders for overall health. But do you know that besides its ability to promote optimal hydration, does lemon water have a number of health benefits? Lemon is probably best known for its pH balancing properties. Despite the fact that it has an acidic taste, it becomes alkaline in the body, and it helps the body maintain a balance. Alkaline water detoxifies cancer, that's how to cook it. It has powerful antibacterial and disinfectant properties, which in turn helps in the treatment of many different conditions, ranging from bad breath from mouth to cholera. The most surprising thing about lemon is that it possesses 22 anti-cancer properties. The benefits of lemon water for health. It removes toxins from the body, improves digestion and provides healthy bowel movements, which makes it an ideal morning drink. Lemons are filled with nutrients, such as calcium, potassium, vitamin C and pectin fiber. The high content of vitamin C in lemons protects against deficiencies in the immune system. As mentioned above, lemon water contributes to a healthy pH level in the body. Pectin fiber in lemons is useful for intestinal health and acts as a powerful antibacterial agent. As discussed earlier, if a glass of lemon water is present, a toxic substance is washed off in the morning. Lemon water not only improves digestion, but also stimulates the production of bile. Lemons contain minerals such as magnesium, potassium and phosphorus. It helps to cure cold and flu and prevent recurrence. It inhibits the growth and spread of bacteria that cause disease and infection. Dissolving uric acid, it reduces pain and inflammation in the joints and knees. Potassium in lemons nourishes the brain and nerve cells. Providing energy to liver enzymes, it strengthens the liver and improves its function. It prevents the formation of acne and wrinkles and promotes the formation of young and glowing skin. He maintains eye health and struggles with problems associated with the eyes. Adding ingredients such as cucumber, mint and ginger to your lemon water, you get an even more powerful detoxifying agent. Recipe for alkaline water. Ingredients: 1 lemon, half cucumber, half cup of mint, 1/4 ginger root. Instructions: First, clean a small amount of ginger before cutting it. Then cut all ingredients and pour water. Do not dispose of ingredients after first use to make the most of them. Typically, you can use them for about 3 days, constantly adding new water. It is recommended to drink this water in the morning, on an empty stomach. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.